Welcome to the Reports Overview. Let's walk through the key reports and how you can use them to manage your fleet effectively. To get started, select Reports from the top toolbar. This will take you to the Reports dashboard, where you will see an overview of miles, safety scores, stops, and idling data. From here, you can filter reports by date, group, tracker, or driver. You can also toggle between miles and kilometers and export or print reports as needed. If you wish to reset filters and view fresh data, simply select Reset Filters in the top right corner. Your Alerts report gives you a fleet-wide view of generated alerts. You can filter by date, group, tracker, driver, or alert type. For more details on these alerts, select the Alerts key button in the top right corner to open the Alerts legend. You can also navigate to Alert Settings or Notification Setup from here. Your safety report card includes insights on speeding, rapid acceleration, harsh braking, and your overall safety score. You can filter by date, group, tracker, or driver, and schedule this report for automatic delivery. This report helps you quickly assess driver behavior related to safety, along with miles, stops, and idling data. Your trips report provides detailed trip data, including start and end times, locations, trip duration, miles traveled, and time at each stop. This report helps you verify whether trips are as expected or if they are taking longer than planned. Your Advanced Trips report provides even deeper insights on your trips. This report breaks down trips by tracker and trip number for granular details. It also includes alerts triggered during the trip, which is helpful when reviewing anomalies or longer than expected travel times. Your Usage Hours report measures vehicle and asset usage over time based on either ignition or movement. Movement is detected when the tracker senses vibration when the ignition is off. Your Stops report provides a detailed report of your stops, including start and stop times, total stop time, and location. You can also see the stop type, which are either engine off or idling. Your Idle Activity report tracks all idle behavior. Idle events are marked with an exclamation point, highlighting the events that exceed the set threshold for idling. To review or change the idle threshold, navigate to Setup, Alert Settings, and General Settings. Your Geofence report allows you to monitor geofence activity. This report displays entry and exit times and the duration spent within each geofence. It helps you see when drivers enter or exit specific areas and how long they stay there. Your Fuel report shows details about fuel purchases, including gallons purchased, cost, refueling location, and the card number used. Paired with GPS data, this is an excellent way to identify fuel misuse and prevent fraud. Your Fuel Consumption report helps you optimize fuel usage and reduce operational costs. It provides insights into how efficiently vehicles are using fuel and highlights specific driver behaviors affecting fuel consumption, like idling, high speeds, harsh braking, and rapid acceleration. Your Input Sensor report summarizes activity from your tracker's secondary power source during the selected time period. You can connect a secondary power source to your wired devices or asset trackers for more detailed data. Your Utilization report tracks vehicle and asset usage based on authorized hours. You can adjust these hours in Setup, Alert Settings to create configurations for different groups. The report shows usage over time, including ignition or vibration events, while excluding unauthorized hours. That is a quick walkthrough of all the reports available to you. Each report offers valuable insights to help you better manage your fleet.